Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing a trusted VPN app and giving it the permissions it needs. This is where most issues begin. Once done, pick a nearby country server that won't trigger geo-blocking for Bgmi and make sure your phone has automatic date/time. You should also disable Android location so the game can't detect your real region. Finally, confirm your Play Games or device account is signed in and ready before connecting the VPN, so the game won't ask for extra verification. Next, connect to a low-ping server in a permitted country. You want under about 150 milliseconds for playable performance. Make sure to enable split tunneling so only Bgmi uses the VPN, which reduces lag for other apps. Change the VPN protocol to an optimized UDP option if provided, and set a private DNS to avoid leaks. Once connected, verify your IP and region using a quick check. Then force stop and reopen Bgmi to let the app register the new network location. Finally, launch Bgmi and confirm you can enter matches without the previous time limit. If the game still blocks you, clear Bgmi cache and restart the phone, then reconnect the VPN. This forces the app to pick up the new network. Monitor latency and switch servers if you see packet loss. Once stable, enable the VPN's auto-connect so you won't forget. Troubleshooting tip: if login or matchmaking fails after connection, disable split tunneling briefly or try a different protocol, then relaunch the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.